Hello and welcome to the series of tutorials on Excel Solver. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can download Excel Solver on Windows. So grab a mug of coffee and let us get started. Start by opening an Excel file. I'm going to open a blank workbook. Click on File at the bottom top, then click on Options in the bottom left corner. You should see a window popping up. The left side of this window has an index. Choose the option Add-ins. At the bottom, you see the word Manage, followed by a list of options and the button Go. Choose Excel Add-ins in the list and press Go. Another window will pop up on your screen. This time, check the box Solver Add-in and press OK. Voila! Excel Solver is activated on your computer. If you click on Data at the bottom top, you will notice that the solver is now available. I hope this video helped you to download Excel Solver. In this playlist, I'll be posting videos demonstrating how to solve typical OR problems like transportation, assignment, and the shortest path. So stay tuned to our upcoming tutorials.